Hey everyone, I'm Paul and I recently bought this Honda CRF300L. This bike is pretty sweet, but it has a bit of a gangster lean. I think this bike is leaning over too much. So today I'll be making the kickstand half an inch longer using this SRC moto spacer kit. Let's check it out. This is the kit I'm talking about. $78 is a lot of money just to bolt some stuff to your kickstand. I guess they're high quality machined aluminum pieces. Here's what you get in the kit. 288 grams worth of hardware. That's more than half a pound. I'm not happy about adding this much weight, but I guess this makes the kickstand work better. Start with the open-ended piece and install it above the foot of the kickstand. The piece with the large cutout goes underneath it. Grab the lower piece with the bent bottle opener thing and insert one of the bolts. Then stack a big spacer on top. The flat piece with the smaller cutout goes on next. The instructions say to add the small spacer here. Stick the bolt through and add the nut on top. Let's do it again. Stack a large spacer, run the bolt through, and add the small spacer. Stick the bolt all the way through and add the nut. Okay, before we continue, the instructions were wrong and I had to redo it. Using the smaller washers leaves the kickstand extender loose and it rattles. I recommend not using the smaller spacer because it prevents the plates from clamping onto the foot of the kickstand. If you must have the extra height, you can stack the smaller spacer in the lower section with the bigger spacer. Once you have everything assembled, tighten all 4 nuts and bolts down. The nuts have a locking feature built in, so you don't need to use Loctite here. All done! This extra foot pad does look pretty big on the motorcycle. Let's give it a test. Works good. My motorcycle doesn't lean as much and it feels more stable. But man, that thing is big and goofy looking. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below.